Spending less than you earn is essential to saving more money, although it may require changes to your life. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I share valuable insight on real estate investment. In today's video, I will discussing how to achieve financial resilience through budgeting and saving. In the coming years, we may encounter banking challenges caused by accessing leverage on their balance sheets, which may hinder consumer access to personal loans, other forms of credit financing. Financial resilience is critical in bouncing back from financial shocks, including job loss, medical emergency, or global pandemics. It also enables you to achieve your financial objectives, such as purchasing a property, saving for retirement, or generating passive income. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my future videos. My name is Korianne and I'm excited to share my real estate investment journey with you. I have been investing in cash flow properties since 2001 and it has helped me achieve financial independence. I hope by sharing my experiences, I can inspire you to successfully invest in cash flow real estate so that you can achieve your financial goals too and make an impact on people around you. Have you ever wondered how you can become financially resilient? It's simple. It all begins with creating a robust budget and saving plan. Budgeting allows you to monitor your income and expenses and allocate your money toward your necessary desires and aspirations. A saving plan is a strategy that aids in establishing emergency fund and clearing off debts and investing for the future. In this video, I will share some of the top budgeting techniques and saving tips to help enhance your financial resilience. So stay tuned and let's begin. Here are a few steps I have taken consistently in my 20s to stay on my budget and save 30 to 50% of my income for investment purposes to achieve financial resilience. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. One of the primary steps to effective budgeting and saving is having a clear understanding of your income and expenses each month. You can use various methods such as using a pen and paper, a spreadsheet, or dedicated app to record all your income sources and expenses. By doing this, you will gain visibility into where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Tracking your income sources and expenses allow you to make informed financial decisions. You can identify patterns such as high spending months and take corrective actions. Moreover, having a record of your financial transactions help you plan for future by projecting how much money you will need to cover upcoming expenses. So whether you choose to use a traditional or digital method, track your finance is a crucial step toward achieving your financial goals. Step 2. Choose a budgeting method. After getting a clear picture of your income expenses, the next step is to choose a budgeting method that aligns with your goals and references. There are various methods available, but two popular ones are the 50, 30, and 20 rules and the 6 account method. The 50, 30, 20 rules divides your income into 3 different categories. Half of your income is allocated to essential needs such as housing, food, and transportations. 30% goes toward debt payments and discretionary wants such as entertainments and hobbies, while the remaining 20% is directed toward savings. The 6 account method is my favorite one in that the income is automatically deposited into 6 different accounts. The first account is designated for necessary need, 50% of your income. The second for long-term financial freedom, 15% of your income. The third for short-term emergency savings, 5% of your income. The fourth for education funds, 10% of your income. And the fifth for giving and donation, 10% of your income. And the 6 for fun and discretionary wants, 10% of your income. You can pick any method that says to you. The trick here is to set up the automatic distribution based on one of the rules above for each month, and when the balance for that specific category goes to 0, you don't spend any more in that category for that specific month. Step 3 is set saving goals. Setting a clear specific saving goals can provide you with a motivation you need to stay on track with your budget. Goals can vary from saving for emergency fund or down payment or vacation or retirement. To make your goal more effective, you can use the SMART goal setting method, which involves making your goal specific, measurable, action-oriented, realistic, and time-bound. For example, instead of setting a goal such as I want to save for a vacation, you can make it more specific by saying, I want to save $5,000 for a trip to Hawaii in 2 years. This will allow you to calculate a monthly saving goal of $208.33 per month. By breaking your goal down by smaller, measurable parts, you can make it more manageable and achievable. Step 4. Automate your savings. One of the easiest way to manage and save money is to make it automatic. You can set up direct deposit from your paycheck into multiple accounts, or use an app that transfers predetermined percentage into designated accounts. This way, you don't have to think about mechanics every month or rely on your willpower. You can also automate your bills payment to avoid late fees and interest charges. Step 5. 5 ways to cut spending. Spending less than you earn is essential to saving more money, although it may require changes to your lifestyle and sacrifice. They don't necessarily have to be significant or uncomfortable. The first step is to distinguish between your needs and wants, and then prioritize the things that are most important to you. Additionally, you can explore options to decrease your expenses such as grocery shopping, dining out, entertainment and transportation, utilities, insurance, and subscriptions. By taking advantage of coupons, discounts, cashback apps, or comparison shopping tools, you can get the best possible deals on your purchase. Step number 6, get an alternative or passive income source. Another way to boost your financial resilience is to increase your income. You can do this by getting a side hustle, selling things you don't need, renting out room or parking space, or creating a product or service that generate passive income. Passive income is the money that you earn without much active involvement, such as royalties from a book, a music, dividends from a stocks, or interest from a saving account or bonds. Step number 7, review and adjust your budget regularly. Budgeting is not one-time things. It's an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and evaluations. You should check your budget at least once a month to see if you are on track with your income, expenses, and saving goals. You should also update your budget whenever there is a change in your financial situation, such as getting a raise, losing a job, having a baby, or moving to a new place. By reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly, you can stay on top of your finances and make sure you are prepared for any challenges or opportunities that come your way. That's it for today's video on how to budget and save to achieve your financial resilience. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more real estate investing tips and tricks. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think of this budgeting and saving strategies. Do you have any other tips or questions to share? I would love to hear from you and start a conversation. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Now it's your turn to take actions and start implementing this step in your own life. Remember, budgeting and savings are not only good for the wallet, but it's also for your peace of mind and happiness. So don't delay, start today and see the difference it makes in your financial future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!